Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you are all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others around the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Mind segment, we elaborated on the seventh type of learning style, namely solitary learning style. In this episode, we will analyze the eighth type of learning style, namely the naturalistic learning style. Nature of naturalistic learning style. Naturalistic learning style consists in learning through interaction with the environment. Hence, naturalistic learners display a strong affinity for outdoors and natural phenomena. They excel when in contact with nature and learn best when working with nature. Hence, the ideal study environment is a calm and relaxing natural environment. Students who prefer naturalistic learning style for learning tend to enjoy learning about scientific and environmental topics and excel in those subjects. Naturalistic learners are similar to kinesthetic learners. The only difference is that the natural part of this deal, as naturalistic learners, needs to be outside in nature to learn better. However, both of these types of learners benefit from hands-on experiences. Naturalistic learners enjoy seeing and interacting with natural materials and objects. For example, rather than solely discussing about how to do gardening, they enjoy learning while digging up the soil and planting plant saplings. Naturalistic learners enjoy finding patterns, performing experiments, and use scientific theory to support their understanding of topics. They absorb new concepts best when they can apply information to their unique mental framework. They appreciate tools for observing phenomena and may do well if they can sketch observations in notebooks, label diagrams, or record changes over time in a chart or graph. Naturalistic learners often express interest in the bigger picture of a situation, wanting to debate theories or explore how every actions have long-term consequences. Likewise, naturalistic learners can observe all manner of information and theory. However, they prefer to do so within their perspective. For example, a general story about China may not create interest in naturalistic learners, but if the story is linked to a map of China or photos of unique animals inhabit China and the like, they would show greater interest in the story. Naturalistic learners can easily be spotted and identified if they possess some of the following qualities. They enjoy observing animals, interacting with pets, exploring nature, doing gardening, doing hiking, and taking care of the earth. Besides, if learners require access to outdoor areas, experiences in natural surroundings, and tools that can help them explore the environment, such as a magnifying glass, a telescope, a bug jar, or binoculars, they in all probability are naturalistic learners. Similarly, in the classroom setting, naturalistic learners may introduce science experiments such as growing seeds or collecting leaves. They may prefer to read non-fiction articles about natural wonders. Topographical maps, globes, CD-ROMs of animals in their habitats, and models about nature and creatures provide them perennial fascination. Naturalistic learners also may take up a recycling campaign as part of the celebration of the Earth Day. Strengths of naturalistic learners. We briefly consider some of the strengths of persons who use naturalistic learning style. Naturalistic learners are keen observers of nature and often notice patterns and details that others might overlook. They learn best through hand-on experiences, that is, through the direct interaction with the natural world, such as through field trips, gardening, or studying wildlife. Naturalistic learners have a heightened awareness of their surroundings and a deep appreciation of living things. They have the talent to learn through practical activities and real world applications, especially those involving nature and science. Naturalistic learners have particular interest in the ability to tackle subjects such as environmental science, biology, geology, and meteorology. They have the facility to use tools such as microscopes, telescopes, or binoculars to explore and understand nature more deeply. Strategies for naturalistic learners. The specific strategies naturalistic learners can use to learn new information include: first, embracing outdoor learning. Whenever possible, arrange lessons outdoors. Science experiments in the schoolyard, history lessons at the local historical site, or book discussions under a shady tree can all be enriching experiences for naturalistic learners. Second, incorporating nature into indoor learning. When access to outdoor learning is limited, bring nature indoors. By displaying nature documentaries, creating a classroom terrarium or aquarium, using natural objects such as pinnacones or seashells for counting or sorting activities. Third, providing project-based learning. Encourage projects that allow students to explore their interest in nature. This could involve building a bird feeder, researching endangered species, or creating a natural journal filled with observation and sketches. Fourth, including problem-solving activities while learning. As naturalistic learners thrive on problem-solving, presenting them with real-world environmental challenges such as water pollution or deforestation, and encouraging them to brainstorm solutions. Fifth, encouraging participation in citizen science projects. These initiatives allow naturalistic learners to contribute to real scientific research while exploring the natural world. Sixth, organizing family-level nature-based activities. Family outings that involve hiking trails, visiting parks, or simply spending time observing wildlife. Similarly, family-level engagement in creating a vegetable garden or a butterfly garden can teach naturalistic learners responsibility and patience, besides allowing children to witness the wonders of plant and animal growth. Seventh, making available nature documentaries and books. Age-specific documentaries about animals and ecosystems can spark the curiosity of naturalistic learners. Similarly, providing nature-related books and field guides can enhance the desires of naturalistic learners to learn more. Above-mentioned learning strategies can foster in naturalistic learners a connection with nature, provide stimulating learning experiences, and thereby empower them to thrive and develop a lifelong love for exploration and discovery. Tips for working with naturalistic learners. Here are a few tips that can improve your efficiency and communication if you are engaging or working with naturalistic learners. as a teacher or mentor. First, giving naturalistic learners opportunities to perform experiments or hands-on activities to fulfill their tactile needs. Second, while discussing a topic or idea, the teacher can demonstrate to the naturalistic learners how to relate it to the environment and the related subjects. Third, with science as one of the interests of naturalistic learners, encouraging them to enjoy the process of writing lab reports or logging their scientific findings. Besides, they also may be advised to use those techniques they discover through experiments when learning new topics. Fourth, when discussing complex concepts, the teacher must treat them as ecosystems and demonstrate how different elements interact with one another, and asking naturalistic learners to make real connection between them. Fifth, the teacher should take naturalistic learners outdoors when possible, even if the subject of conversation is unrelated to nature, for they will be more excited to listen when surrounded by nature. Sixth, the teacher must find ways to connect nature-based learning with established curriculum. However, with creativity and planning, educators can weave in valuable concepts, critical thinking skills, and environmental awareness through these activities in naturalistic learners. Directing and guiding the naturalistic learners to use some of the above mentioned strategies, you as a teacher can provide for them a supportive environment that would foster their strengths and help them thrive academically and to make right career options. With this video, we temporarily stop uploading videos in Know Your Mind segment. We will continue to upload videos in the Know Your Personality segment and Sunday Reflection segment. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.